As you all know that the cost of living is extremely high at this moment. I don't even know how parents do it. If you have more than one child, I don't know. Like, kudos to you. I don't really know how we keep up. We have three kids in this house, and I can tell you food goes regular, like food goes all the time. We are constantly buying, constantly cooking, constantly feeding. If they finish eating like now, in the next hour somebody is hungry. But we got to do what we got to do. We have to feed our kids, we have to put food on the table, we have to make sure that their belly is full. One way that I save money or that we save money in this house is by making everything ourselves because things are expensive. We cannot afford to be doing takeaway every other night. It's not that we don't do takeaway, but we try to do takeaway like once a month at least, but not every other day because takeaway can cost us from 40 something to 50 euro, and that will be a 1 week meal in this house if you cook everything yourself. I cook a lot, I make things from scratch, and that is the way we save money. So today we are cooking lunch, we are making delicious lunch for the kids. So I'm trying to fry up my mince, and in the blender I have tomato, onions, ginger and garlic. I'm blending that up, and I am now adding it in the mince, and I am going to fry it for another like 10 minutes and just cook it and allow the tomato to dry a bit and let the water go out of the tomato. So honestly, if you are a parent, a mother, a father, at this time, honestly, I need to give you a hug because things are hard. Things are living is a bit tough at this time, but our children come first. They come first, and we need to make sure that they eat healthy, they eat good, and they eat tasty, delicious meal. So this is my seasonings. I have ginger and garlic. I have uh, salt, curry, thyme, and a knorr cube is like chicken seasoning. So I added everything in there, and I am mixing it up together, making sure that everything combines well together. At this point, I feel like the main sauce has fried very well. I am gonna give it like another 2 to 3 minutes and let the seasoning, cook well with the mince and let everything mix well together. And this is a lunch that I'm making, and I have finished cooking the mince. It's looking very, very well at this point. So I am done with it. It tastes good. It smells good. The aroma is beautiful. Now I forgot cheese. So I went back to the shop quickly and I grabbed cheese. Now everything is ready. I have spring onions and carrot. I have my wrap and I have my cheese, and my mince is also ready. Now it is time to start putting it together. Like, this stuff tastes so good. It is so amazing and so delish. Now this is my mince that I actually allow the mince to cool down as well. Allow it to cool down before you start wrapping it up. This is a favorite lunch in this house. I'm not joking. This is one of our favorite lunch in this house because it takes the wrap to another level. Like, it turns out to be a delicious wrap. Now I'm adding the veg. You can use any veg of your choice. If you do not like spring onions or carrots, you can use any veg. You can use the sweet bell peppers. You can use anything at all that you like as a veg to to make your wrap. So now I'm trying to wrap it up. I think that's the most difficult part of this is trying to wrap it all up, and yeah, it looks great. I feel like I did well at this point. Yep. Yep, I'm patting myself on the back. I did well, and yeah, so now I'm trying to make another wrap, and yeah, and that is basically it. Once your sauce is ready, this lunch is so easy to make. It's so simple because once your mint sauce is ready, the only thing you need to do now is to start wrapping it up in your wrap. And now, if you don't want to use the white wrap, you can use the brown wrap. I think I have seen a green wrap somewhere. If you're on the healthy side and you don't want to use the white wrap to wrap up your mince, you can use. I have seen people wrap their stuff with lettuce and all that. Do what makes you happy, basically. Do what you like and do what you enjoy. And yeah, and as long as you love it, as long as you enjoy it, why not? Anyway, this is how I am wrapping it up. I am showing it from this angle so you can see it. But yeah, finally, I got everything wrapped up. And I'm telling you, we got a lot out of this. We got a lot of wrap. Can you see? We got a lot. Like this will feed 10 people. This will feed 10 people. We got a lot of wrap. Now, at this point, I am going to toast it, but this is optional. If you do not want to toast it, if you just want to have your wrap the way it is, beautiful. It still tastes as good as the way it is. But if you toast it, the cheese inside just melts. Oh my God. And it becomes so gooey as you're biting it. It just, I don't know, but it is tastier when you toast it. So yeah, and we enjoy it when it is toasted. Like at this point, everyone is ready to dive in, and my kids, they can't wait to enjoy. But by the way, they are eating and I am eating as well. Because after that hard work, I need to eat too. But yeah, they are seated on the dining table and enjoying their meal, and I am here enjoying my own meal. Like, this tastes amazing. This was so delicious. This was so superb. This was so tasty. So yeah, this is our lunch for today, and this is one way that we save money in this house. We cook on budget, and I cook regularly, and I like to feed my children things that I made myself because I made it. I know what I put in it. But yeah, this is it anyway. Thank you so much. If you have watched up to this point, thank you so much. And I hope you give this recipe a try. It is delicious. Thank you. Bye.